How much should you actually spend on an 8,000 BTU window air conditioner? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Suhivix Portable AC Vent Kit. Let's kick things off with the Suhivix Portable Air Conditioner Window Vent Kit, priced at just $29.99. This product caught my eye because it's designed to fit most portable AC units. If you want a reliable way to vent your AC, this is worth a serious look. This vent kit features a 5.9-inch diameter exhaust hose that extends up to 59 inches, making it adaptable for various window types. The anti-clockwise universal fit means it works with most portable air conditioners, which is super handy. Plus, the durable PVC construction ensures it'll last. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your window setup is tricky, this vent kit offers a solid solution without breaking the bank, with over 3,000 units sold just last month. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it really isn't that bad, and the sealing tape included helps keep the hot air out, which is crucial for effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly venting solution for your portable AC. Skip this one if you need something more permanent or if your AC unit has a unique venting requirement. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for improving energy efficiency for your window units.
Product number 2, M-Climate AC Side Panels. We have the M-Climate Window Air Conditioner Side Panels with frame, priced at $39.96. This caught my attention because it promises a snug fit for 8,000 BTU units, enhancing insulation. If you want to keep the drafts out, this is worth a serious look. These side panels are crafted from high-quality vinyl, which means they not only seal gaps effectively, but also help save energy. They prevent dust and moisture from sneaking into your space while maintaining a comfortable environment. Plus, the expandable design means they can fit most window setups, accommodating various air conditioning units. This is particularly important if you want to maximize your cooling without overworking the AC. However, some users mentioned that the panels can be a bit tricky to install properly. I get it. Installation can be frustrating. But honestly, once you have them secured, they really do their job well, making it easier to maintain a cool indoor climate. This is perfect for you if you're tired of struggling with gaps in your window AC setup. Skip this one if you're looking for a more universal solution that fits multiple unit types. Now, if M-Climate's installation challenge bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 3, Flemo Window Air Conditioner Side Panels, available for $39.69. This option also caught my eye due to its adjustable features for 8,000 BTU units. If you want something user-friendly, this is worth a serious look. These panels are also made from durable vinyl, which helps with heat insulation and wind resistance. That's crucial if you want to ensure your room stays cool without letting outside air mess with your comfort. The sizing is quite flexible, making them suitable for most window ACs, and they even help reduce noise, which is an added bonus. Given that over 100 units sold last month, it seems like others appreciate this too. Now, some reviews pointed out that it doesn't fit every model perfectly, particularly LG units. But here's my perspective. If you have a standard window frame, these panels should work just fine, and they certainly enhance overall efficiency. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and quiet solution for your home. Skip this one if you own LG units or if you prefer a more heavy-duty option. Alright, that's a great choice, but the next product might actually impress you even more with its smart features.
Product number 4, LBG Products AC Side Panel Kit. Let's talk about the LBG Products Window Air Conditioner Side Panel and Frame Set. Priced at $39.99, this kit promises excellent insulation and durability. If you want something that can withstand the elements, this is worth a serious look. Made from high-quality materials, these panels provide 80% shading, which is super beneficial for keeping your room cool. They fit most 8,000 BTU AC units, so if you're looking for compatibility, this kit has you covered. The easy installation process means you won't need any extra tools, which is a huge relief for many. Plus, users reported that this kit effectively blocks out dust and reduces light, which can enhance your overall comfort. However, some people mention that the sizing can be off if not measured correctly. Here's my take. If you take a moment to measure your unit beforehand, you should be fine, and the benefits definitely outweigh the hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward installation process without compromising on quality. Skip this one if you're unsure about your window dimensions or need something with more advanced features. Now, if LBG's size issue made you nervous, the next one on our list is for those who want all the bells and whistles.
Product number 5, GE Profile Clearview AC. We have the GE Profile Clearview Window Air Conditioner, which boasts 8,300 BTU and comes in at $299. This unit grabbed my attention because of its Wi-Fi capability and ultra-quiet operation. If you want the ultimate convenience, this is definitely worth a serious look. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can control this AC from your smartphone, which is a game changer for modern living. It features 4 cooling settings and fan speeds, allowing you to customize your comfort level easily. Plus, it's designed to cool spaces up to 350 square feet, making it suitable for medium-sized rooms. The ultra-quiet operation ensures that you can relax without the constant hum of an AC unit, which is great for late-night use. Now, some users found the price a bit steep compared to simpler options. But let's be real, if you value convenience and efficiency, this investment pays off in the long run, reducing your energy bills and keeping your space comfortable. This is perfect for you if you love smart home devices and want something that blends performance with technology. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly AC solution without the extra features. To wrap things up, we've covered a variety of options from budget-friendly vent kits to high-tech air conditioners. Each product has its unique strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most for your comfort before deciding.
In summary, whether you need a simple venting kit or a smart air conditioner, there's an option here for everyone. Kaksahiv offers budget-friendly venting, while M-Climate and FleeHomo provide solid insulation solutions. LBG Products is great for straightforward installs, and GE's Smart AC is perfect for tech lovers. Choose what fits your needs best.